Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to stop TikTok saving to camera roll. So let's get right into it. Head over to your TikTok application. Once you're there, head over to your profile and then click on the plus icon. And here just record a TikTok. Once you do it, click on next. And currently click on more options. And here currently you can see there is no option to just turn off the camera roll saving option because TikTok has changed its version since its last update and they just disabled this version of TikTok. So yeah, we can't currently in my region I can't just stop saving my TikToks to my camera roll because there is no option to do it. But if in your region TikTok is allowing it, then just you will able to see this sort of interface and just toggle it off. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.